explorers! Look at my new invention, the Shrink Ray. It can make anything tiny. Whoops! I pressed the wrong button. Wait, I am tiny, and I am sitting on.
An apple?
Oh no! Someone is eating it! I'm going in! Whoa! Where am I? These white rocks are teeth! They are huge! This must be the mouth. It's wet and slippery here. Watch out for the tongue.
Oh, going down! It's like a water slide! Whee!
Whew, that was a long drop. Welcome to the stomach. Look at that green liquid. It's stomach acid. It melts food so our body can use it. It's super hot and dangerous. Don't touch it. I need to get out of here before I turn into soup. Okay, I escaped into the bloodstream. Look, I am riding a red blood cell like a boat. Can you hear that? That's the heart. It works like a giant engine, pumping blood everywhere. It never stops resting. Amazing. We made it to the top floor, the brain. It looks like a supercomputer. See those sparks? Those are messages. The brain controls everything. Thinking, moving, and breathing. Wait! I feel a tickle. The nose is tickling.
Oh no! A snooze is coming! Hold on tight! Ah!
Do you want to visit the brain or the heart? Comment below. Bye!